dear first class children, welcome to maths class. Good morning. We having FA1 exams ending of this month, 29th, 30th and 31st. The portion goes to chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1, 3 number skills. Chapter 2, numbers up to 20. I sent you revision practice sheets through WhatsApp. You have to practice that sheets and follow this video and write whatever I given in this video. You open your homework book and write. Which book? Homework book. Okay, Nana? This is going to FA1 revision. Okay, first chapter we have the given basic concept, big and small, near and far, tall and short, long and short, inside, outside, before, after, between, above, below, on, under. Okay, I give you pictures, you observe that picture and which one goes to above, which one goes to below, on, under, okay, after, before, between, big one, small one, more, less. We are going to compare given objects and depending upon the length, depending upon the size, depending upon the weight, depending upon the height. Yes or no? I show you some pictures. You see that picture and tell me. Suppose, look at this picture. See this picture. Look at this picture. Fan, table lamp, table, ball. Here we are going to use the concepts under, above, below, on. Under, below, above, on. Okay. See, fan, table lamp, table, ball. Where is the ball in this picture? Under the table. Where is the ball? Under the table. Look at the ball. Ball is under the table. Now look at the table lamp. Table lamp is on the table. Table lamp is on the table. Where is fan? The fan is above the table lamp. The fan is above the table lamp. Yes or no? Ball is under the table. UNDR. We are going to using the words under. UNDR. Under. Above. 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 BELOW. Below. on. We are going to using the words here. Under. UNDR. Under. ABOVE. Above. BELOW. Below. on. These concepts we are going to use it for this picture. Okay. Fan, table lamp, table, ball. Now fan is dash the table lamp. Where is the fan? The fan is above the table lamp. The fan is above the table lamp. Above. ABOVE. The fan is above the table lamp. The fan is above the table lamp. You look at the given picture carefully and fill up the blanks. Okay? Picture and blanks I gave. You have to observe the picture and fill up the blanks correctly. Okay? You take your mother's help and read the each blank and write correct answer. Okay, children? See, fan is above the table lamp. Fan is above the table lamp. Ball is under the table. UNDR. Under. You have to fill up the blanks using these words. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Next one, table lamp. Table lamp is on the table. We are going to using this word, on. The table lamp is on the table. The table lamp is on the table. Next one, table lamp is, see, this is table lamp. The table lamp is on the table. Table lamp is dash the fan. Where is the table lamp? Below the fan. Using this word. Table lamp is below the fan. Table lamp is below the fan. Okay, once again. Fan is above the table lamp. Fan is above the table lamp. Ball is under the table. Ball is under the table. Table lamp is on the table. Table lamp is on the table. Again, table lamp is below the fan. Table lamp is below the fan. We are going to using these concepts. Table lamp is on the table. Next one, table lamp is below the fan. Fan is above the table lamp. Fan is above the table lamp. Ball is under the table. Ball is under the table. Pick the big one. Which is the big one? This is big. Yes or no? This is, put a tick for this. Next, which one is long? Put a tick for long. Yes, this is long. Okay. Next, put a tick for tall. Put a tick for tall. Tall. Which is tall? This is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Okay. Next, big and small. Tall and short. Long and short. And I am going to show inside and outside pictures. Inside and outside. See. Suppose, look at this picture. See. Dog is inside. Bird is outside. Yes or no? Cat is inside. This cat is outside. Kittens are outside. These kittens are inside. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Big, small. Long, short. Tall, short. More, less. More, less. Long, short. Okay. Next, these concepts. Under, above, below, on. You have to observe the picture and fill up the given blanks. You have to look at this picture and fill these blanks. Okay, Nana? Next one goes to chapter 2. Numbers up to, yes, numbers up to 20. First Roman goes to pre-number skills. That means basic concepts. Answer the following. That is going to First Roman pre-number skills. Pre-number skills. That is going to more and less, big and small, long and short, tall and short, inside, outside, before, after, between, and above, below, on, under. Above, below, on, under. I show you one picture now. You have to watch carefully that picture and fill up the given blanks correctly using the words above, below, on, under. Next goes to second Roman goes to, yes, picture and blanks. Second Roman goes to number names. Number names up to, yes, 1 to 20. This is going to, in this I am going to given a number. Suppose given number is this and another one this. Number name means write the number name. Okay, I give you heading. Okay, what is the heading? Write the number name. Here you are going to write the number name. Write the number name of the following means the given number goes to this and this. How to write the number name? What is the spelling of this number? Yes, F-O-U-R T-E-E-N. Next, 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. These are number names. These are number names. Okay. Next one. Another number. Suppose I am going to give this number. How to read that? 7. Write the spelling. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay. This is going to second Roman. First Roman, 3 number scales. That means big, small, more, less, long, short, tall, short, inside, outside, and picture and blanks. Second Roman, number names from 1 to 20. The question is given like this. Next, third Roman. Third Roman. Third Roman is numbers. Third Roman is numbers. Write the numbers or write the numerals. Write the numbers. Third Roman goes to write the numbers. See question. S-E-V-N-T-E-E-N. N-I-N-E. T-W-E-L-V-E. Come on. S-E-P-N-T-E-E-N. What is the number? 17. Write number 17. N-I-N-E 9. Write number 9. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Write number 12. 1, 10, 2 ones. Okay. This is going to write the numbers. Here given spelling, number name. You read the spelling and write the number. Read the spelling and write the number. Read the spelling and write the number. This is going to, yes, write the numbers. Third Roman. Understood? Goes to fourth Roman. Go to fourth Roman. Fourth Roman. Yes. Here, write before number, after number, and between number. Right? Before, after, and between numbers. Right? Before, after, and between numbers. Before, front number. After, next number. Between, middle number. I give you some numbers. See, first of all going to before. Before number. That means what comes before 6? Yes, 5. Okay. What comes before 11? 11 before. The dash given left side. Left side means going to write before. 11 before 10. Very good. What comes before 16? 16 before 15. Very good. Okay. 6 before 5. 11 before 10. 16 before 15. These are before numbers. Next goes to after numbers. Okay. Look at the numbers. After, next number, 13 after. What comes after 13? Yes, 14. What comes after 4? 4 after. 5. What comes after 18? 18 after. Come on, tell me. What comes after 18? 19. These are after numbers. The number comes next. 13 after 14. 4 after 5. 18 after 19. Like that up to 20 numbers. What comes after 19? 20. What comes after 11? 12. What comes after 6? 7. Now third one goes to between. Between 7 and 9. 13 and 15. 18 and 20. You have to tell me between numbers. 7 and 9. What comes in between 7 and 9? That means what comes after 7? What comes before 9? That is going to 8. 7, 8, 9. 13? Yes. 14. Very good. 13, 14, 15. The order is correct. Next, 18, 19, 20. These are between numbers. This is going to fourth Roman. Before numbers, after numbers, between numbers of the given numbers. Before numbers, after numbers, between numbers of the given numbers. Can I go to next one? Okay, fifth Roman. Fifth Roman. FA1 division. You write all these in your homework book. Fifth Roman. Symbols. Put the symbol greater than, yes, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. Can I give you numbers? 8 and 3. B. 16 and 11. C. 14 and 19. Come on. We are going to put in these symbols greater than, less than, equal to. 8 and 3. Which is big? 8 is big. Then we are going to keep in greater than. 8 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 3. Next one. 16, 11. Here we are going to keep in these symbols greater than, less than, equal to. 16. Chudi. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones place having 1. Both are same. Now going to compare 6. 6 and 1. Which is big? 6. That means 16 is greater than 11. 16 is greater than 11. 16 is big. 11 is small. Now come to here. 14 and 19. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Tens place number 1 is common. Here 4, here 9. 4 is small, 9 is big. That means 14 is less than 19. 14 is less than 19. Tens place number is same. Then 14 having 4 ones, 19 having 9 ones. In one digit numbers 4 is small, 9 is big. That's why 14 is less than 19. 14 is less than 19. Another one. 17 and 17. Which symbol we are going to keep in? Equal to. 17 is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 17. Why? Both are same numbers. This is going to put the correct symbol greater than, less than or equal to. Understood? Go to next one. Are you follow? Very good. Next one. Next Roman. Place value. Next Roman goes to sixth Roman. Place value. Yes. When we are going to write place value, first of all you have to think about the numbers. Up to 20. 1 to 9 numbers are one digit numbers. Yes or no? And that means ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are ones. What comes after 9? 10. 10 is the first two digit number. 2 digit number. 10 is first two digit number. 2 digit means that number having 2 places. 2 digit number. 10 is the first two digit number and smallest two digit number. See, 10. ones place, tens place. Tens and ones. 10 equal to 110 and 0 ones. 10 equal 110 and 0 ones. This is going to place value. Suppose given number is 15. 15 having how many tens and how many ones? 15 means ones place, tens place. 110, 5 ones. 15 equal to 110 and 5 ones. 13. Write tens and ones. That is going to place value. That means from 10 to 20 numbers are 2-digit numbers. 2-digit means that number having 2 places, ones place, tens place. O for ones, T for tens. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 3. Tens number right here, ones number right here. Okay? 110 and 3 ones, 13. 110 and 5 ones, 15. 110 and 0 ones, 10. Understood? This is going to place value. Tens and ones. Next Roman. 10 is the first 2-digit number and smallest 2-digit number. 1 to 9 numbers are called 1-digit numbers. 1 is the smallest 1-digit number. 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. 0 comes before 1. 0 means nothing. Can I go to next Roman? Yes. 7th Roman. Write the numerals. That means write the number. Write the numerals. Numeral means number. Come on. Let us see the question. 110 and 6 ones. What is the number you can write here? Another one. 110 and 1 1. Yes. Next one. 2 tens and 0 ones. What is the number should you write? Come on. Numeral means number. Read 1 10 and 6 ones. 1 10 and 6 ones. That means what is the number? Tens place, ones place. 1 right in the tens place, 6 right in the ones place. 16. What is the number? 16. Next step. Again put the places. Tens place, ones place. 1 10. 1 right in the tens place, 1 right in the ones place. Now what is the number? 11. Next, 2 tens and 0 ones. Again, tens place, ones place. 2 right in the tens place, 0 right in the ones place, 0. The number goes to 20. This is going to write the numerals. Write the numerals means numbers. This is place value. You read the place value and write the number. Okay? 110 and 6 ones. 110 and 6 ones, 16. 110 and 1 1, 11. 2 tens and 0 ones, 20. Okay? Next Roman. 8th Roman. Missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. First of all, we are going to tell the numbers. First 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 11 to 20. 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I am going to write. See. 6, here I am going to missing some numbers. Okay, you have to fill up these blanks. Okay, we have to fill up these blanks. Write the numbers. What comes next? 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 10 is here. Now go to after 10, 11, 11 after 12, 12 after 13, 13 after 14, 14 after 15 is given. Next 16, 16 after 17, 18 is given. 18 after 19. Don't repeat 18. What comes after 18? This is going to missing numbers. One more example for missing numbers. Ready? That means write the numbers in order. Write the numbers in order. Suppose I am going to give it like this. You have to fill up the missing numbers. See. 1, 2. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. No need to write 6 again. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is given. Don't repeat 14. 15, 16, 17 is given. Next 18, 19. Now the given numbers we are going to fill up. This is missing numbers. Okay, 1 to 20. Okay, we are writing the numbers in order. Next one. Next one. Next Roman. I give a picture. You have to using the above, below, on, under words. That is also one of the Roman. Next one goes to tables. What are the tables you have to learn for this exam? Table of 2 and table of 3. Table of 2 and table of 3. Okay, my dear children, you have to prepare for table of 2 and table of 3. Table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Okay. Next one, blanks. Blanks. Okay. The smallest one digit number 1. The greatest one digit number 1. Dash means nothing. 0. What is the first 2 digit number? Yes, 10. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number also. Okay. What comes after 11? 12. What comes after 9? 10. What comes before 1? 0. 0 means nothing. 2 tens means what is the number? 20. 1 10 equal to how many ones? 10 ones. Already you wrote 6 objective type exams, no? Yes or no? Coming Saturday also you have to write, no? 6 objective type exams, all the blanks. Okay? You are prepare well for exam FA1. Okay. And one more thing, pre-number skills, and I give you a picture. You observe that picture, and below the picture I give you 4 blanks. You are going to use the words above, under, or below. The fan is above the table lamp. The ball is under the table. The table lamp is on the table. The table lamp is below the fan. Okay? Once again, the fan is above the table lamp. The ball is under the table. The table lamp is on the table. The table lamp is below the fan. Okay? These all the Romans you have to prepare for FA1. Sorry. I sent 3 revision sheets for you. You practice the revision sheets also for this exam. My dear children, take your mother's help and practice well. All the best, my dear little children. Thank you very much. Bye.